How's it going, everybody? Today is going to be a much more chill video. I'm going to be taking this vertical terrarium that I built in my previous video and making it into a nice happy little home for my little frog Moki. Moki is my adorable little tiger-legged monkey tree frog, and this is about the best footage I could get of him because he's rather shy and he hides all the time. And so far he's been living in a pretty decent, functional terrarium, but it wasn't exactly designed for him. Monkey frogs like to crawl around grabbing from one piece to another rather than jumping back and forth. So the goal for Moki's new terrarium is to have it much more of a forest where he can reach from one branch to another, or at least have multiple layers to where he can climb all over the place and not really have big empty gaps of space. I want to maximize the area that he can reach inside of his terrarium so that he can make the most of the space that he has. But yeah, not gonna be much of a tutorial, just more of one of those chill videos where you sit back, relax, and enjoy the process and maybe get some inspiration for your own build. Let's get into it. And, well, there you have it. I'd say overall, I love how this build turned out. It's so chill just to watch and listen to the waterfall go for hours and hours, and Moki seems to be really enjoying it. He's been crawling all around and just, I don't know. I can't know what a frog's thinking, but I'd like to think he's pretty happy with it. So that's about it for now. I hope you enjoyed more of like the chill, laid back vibe to the video. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know in the comments down below. Any other questions, comments, concerns as well. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.